and welcome to my latest video, and today we're going to be doing salted caramel flapjack. See you in a bit. Alright guys, and first thing we do, we put the butter and the salted caramel fudge into a bowl and just pop that into a microwave. Then, literally speaking, we put all the dry ingredients, the oats and the sugar, into the bowl. Butter's melted. Now we'll just pour in the bowl. And what you need to do is get your beater and just stir it in. Get it all mixed in to get all off the bottom. Now we'll just put that on a mixer for a minute. Just pop this on the mixer. Turn that around a bit. Round about a minute. Well, that's ready. Table. Right, we'll just tray it up. Press it into your hands. If you want to get it a bit flatter, just use some water on your hands. And that's it. And now all we've got to do now is bake it. Right guys, we'll put them in the oven. They want to be baked for about 20 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. If the oven's too hot, this one actually is a bit hot at the moment. I'd probably change spots in the oven just for a cooler part of the oven. Anyway, see you in a bit. Right guys, I believe the caramel flapjack is ready. Yeah, the caramel flapjack is now ready. We'll let that cool and we'll finish that off later. See you in a bit. Right guys, the next thing we do is putting some caramel on top of the flapjack. Next guys, let's put the caramel on top. Spread it out a bit evenly. Right, we'll just let that dry and then we're going to top it with chocolate. See you in a bit. Alright guys, now the chocolate goes on. dry and we'll chop them up. Right guys, the chocolate's cold now. Right, we'll take them out. I'll cut them up. Take off the edges first. Always to have a really good sharp knife. Hi guys, just to keep you updated, I've got 6 other videos regarding flapjacks, and they're all different ones. And underneath, if you look underneath, you'll find how to make them. Actually, the actual weighing up ingredients as well. Obviously, if you need to make them or like to make them, work it out for yourself, because obviously I've made them for a bigger tray. So if you want a smaller tray, less of the ingredients, as you'll see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you again in the next one.